the show. How
I was getting.
I listen to a lot of people.
It's Kid Craddock in the morning. And Big Al Mack.
But it's stupid. I wish I could delete some of the stuff that's in my head. 'Cause I feel like my brain is like full.
Kid Craddock in the morning.
your brain is full?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Well, you can kind of tell. You know,
No, I
like
can't tell.
just like when you're trying to fill up your car and the gas pump goes click, click, click.
Yeah.
Every time I try to learn something new, my brain, it just goes click, click.
You hear
click.
clicky noises?
Yeah, it's like a clicking noise in my brain. I'm like,
That's not good.
I think I'm like up to 7/8 of
Clicking
a
noise.
tank in my brain.
We had that artist, that group in here. I forget what they were called now. Who's that group we had in last week?
Time Flies.
Time Flies.
Yeah.
The guy is freestyling, rapping. And I asked him later, I'm like, how do you do that?
But he can't explain it, can he?
Well,
it makes sense in his head, but
Yeah.
to hear him verbalize it, it made no sense to me.
afterwards, he told me, he's like, I feel like I have a database in my head that I can access randomly and pull out certain phrases
Right.
that are easy to rhyme. And so he'll do that for the filler part, and then he'll work in, that's already in his head, so he doesn't have to think of it. And while he's pulling that out of his head, his other side of a brain is thinking about a rhyme for the word you just gave him, which might be like New Orleans.
Anything.
Well, he says he thinks backwards, so he'll have
Yeah.
the final word.
Right.
He just has to find a
way to get to it.
match to that one.
Right.
So
Crazy.
you think he goes 2 steps ahead and then comes back.
Give me a beat, JC, real quick. All right, Al,
Yeah.
I need 2 lines.
Okay.
And it ends with New Orleans.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I hear. See?
Oh, no.
That's it. That was
Well,
it.
I hit.
I'm here this morning.
Dude, you're like a white guy that can't get a loan.
I was trying to go morning, New Orleans. That made sense in my head, but
Yeah.
I couldn't get to
That
morning.
was a good job, though. You made it.
I made it 2 words.
Yeah.
But that's what I said. My
New Orleans
brain
is
is
hard to rhyme,
full.
though.
Yeah.
And I wish there was a way to delete or get
Yeah.
rid of.
That's more about your brain being full.
All I heard was click, click, click.
See?
Yeah.
Subscribe now for more videos from Kid Craddock in the morning. And check us out at kidnation.com. It's Kid Craddock in the morning.